This 36-inch wide French door refrigerator by Thermador is from the Freedom Collection. It has a fresh food capacity of 14 cubic feet and a freezer capacity of 5.8 cubic feet for a total combined capacity of 19.8 cubic feet. It requires a custom panel and hardware as shown and features open door assist on the refrigerator and freezer. Inside is a glass touch TFT control panel that manages all of your refrigerator and freezer functions, along with sidewall theater lighting and 3 glass shelves with metal trim. 2 are adjustable, 1 is stationary. Below the shelves is 1 humidity-controlled crisper and a storage drawer. Both are soft closing. On the door are 2 full-width bins. 1 comes with a divider bar, 1 is deep enough to hold a gallon of milk, and 3 soft-closing delicate produce bins. All door bins are adjustable, and all bins are easily removable for cleaning. In the freezer is 1 metal bin with a divider bar, 1 pull-out metal drawer, the ice maker, and ice storage.